Hi guys!
Hi, welcome to our channel!
And today is D-Day!
Demolition Day!
Yep, we've decided to knock this down because it's shifty as. Now, before we do that, we wanted to burn all these brambles that we've cleared over the last year. We have left it quite late, and today, this morning anyway, was really, really nice and cool, and the weather report was for it to be quite cool, but it seems to have turned out quite sunny.
Yeah.
We did register the fire like you always have to do in Portugal, and we got an email back saying it's pending, so we're gonna have to wait. We will get everything ready, clear an area, we've got a bunch of water. And once we're going to be burning some brambles, I thought we might as well take the opportunity, if we do make a fire, to cut a few bushes around the ruin and burn them with it. What are you doing, Meatball?
He's taking you.
He's scratching up against that. So yeah, we're going to take out some bushes. Now, in a previous video, we have shown you how we've been clearing land using the awesome Kebtek 30mm electric shears. And Sarah has been hogging them every time she goes with the goats morning and night, so I've been left without them. But the guys at Kebtek have very generously sent us something else. And this is what they sent us. The Kebtek 8-inch mini electric chainsaw. You know me guys, anything chainsaw, I'm gonna love it. And recently, because of the rising costs of fuel, I've just been fixated on reducing our petrol and hopefully eventually gas use. Living off grid, even though we don't get an electricity bill or water bill, we still have, all of us have that petrol or diesel cost and gas cost. So I've been really wanting to get myself an electric chainsaw, and this thing is pretty awesome. So let's open this up and show you what's in the box. It comes in that awesome case as usual. And you get manual, which you have to read, as always. You've got the handle. Ooh, eye protection.
Look at these, those.
Awesome.
Susie wants.
Susie, you want the eye protection? Or Meatball?
No,
oh yeah, Meatball, looking cool. There's two 2000 milliamp batteries. They are 21 volt. And they take about 2 to 3 hours to charge, and you get about 60 minutes, 40 to 60 minutes depending on the usage. It comes with a second chain in here. There's a little brush to clean it with, which is very important. You have to do it every time you use it. And the key to open up to release the bar and the chain, and the charger. Here it is, pretty nifty, eh? So this is to tighten a keyless tightener. To tighten the bar. Can you hear that? This is where you put the oil in, the chain oil in. You can use other oils, but I use chain oil. And once you fill it up, you just push the bubble and it fills up. You've got the safety lock. Put that handle on. It's got the protection cover. It's a non-slip handle. So it's pretty cool. I think this is really going to come in handy into our arsenal of tools to clear land, because those Kebtek shears only cut up to 30 millimeters. So anything bigger, boom, you've got this straight in there. Zzz. It also has an LED light over here when it's on. Put that in there. Pretty cool, eh? Now, on the website, it says that you can cut 10 centimeter diameter logs 60 times with one battery. We put the link to the video in the description below by Kebtek. But I mean, I won't really be using it for firewood, and it's definitely good for pruning, because at least it's one-handed. I mean, you can use the handle if you want to, but at least I think it's really, really handy. So let's try this funky little tool out on some bushes back here. And if you want to get one of these, you can either go to the appropriate Amazon for your country. We'll put all the links in the description below. We do have a coupon code for you to get 10% off. Awesome. And if you're not into Amazon, you can buy directly from Kebtek. They do have free shipping for most European countries and the US. And if you're in the EU, they ship from a European country, so at least you don't have to pay the duty as usual. All right, so enough talk and let's go cut some bushes. Get rid of any loose clothing, don't want it to get caught in the chainsaw or anything. Oh yeah, too easy. This tree, I don't know what it is, but it's got the biggest roots and it's such a pain in the butt to dig out. I hate these trees with a passion. Right, let me just cut this branch off first. Sweet. Timber! All right, that's pretty awesome, man. Nice. Look at that. While you use it, after you've done a few cuts, number one, keep pressing the bubble so it keeps getting lubricated. And number two, give it a shake. You see all the sawdust coming out? And always use the safety. Tick, tick. Just so you don't get a build-up of sawdust, it says in the manual. See? And then release the safety. Let's see. Woo-hoo-hoo! Awesome, eh? You see, these are ones that Sarah had cut with the Kebtek a while back and left this for me to come with my normal petrol-powered chainsaw. But now it's not going to cost us anything, and these batteries will be charged from our solar. Awesome. The more we reduce our fuel cost, the better. All right, let me just cut these up so we can carry them up easily. Too easy. That's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna keep clearing a bit of land here with this awesome tool. And in the meantime, I think Sarah's gonna start preparing the fire pit, so if we do get the confirmation from ICNF, we can burn everything. If not, we'll just have to leave it there until, if there's a rainy day, or maybe even until autumn, we'll have to see. And if you want one of these beauties, don't forget to go in the description below. 10% off for viewers of Luke and Sarah's Off-Grid Live. It's pretty awesome. Carry on, Luke. Pretty quick work of it. I did hit a bit of sand, and with same as with any other chainsaw, if you hit sand it's going to blunt it, so be careful, guys. And just because it's little doesn't mean it's dangerous, so be careful if you get one. How's it going?
Very good, almost done. Well, almost-ish. Have you got coal yet from the fine people?
I don't think so.
No?
No email, and the wind has picked up a bit, hey? Maybe we're not going to get it.
Yeah.
Shall we get on with the demolition?
Yeah.
Okay, so demolition time! Woohoo! So what are my high-tech tools to do this job, you may ask? A pair of gloves, a pair of eye protection glasses, a ladder, a little mallet, and my trusty sledgehammer. Let's see how it goes. So I reckon first thing is to get this beam and rafters out. So we'll start with that. Hopefully this video won't end up being one of those fails where I hurt myself. We'll see. I'm going to be careful, don't worry.
No place for those. Come in, go.
Yeah, I think it's better.
Meatball, come. Let's go. Come on. Meatball.
Get out of here, Meatball. It's the demolition zone.
Come on, guys. Go ahead. Good work. Let's go take them home. Come on, guys. Come home, guys. Come on, let's go home. It's late. Okay, let's see. So this is for Daisy with her little magic dust. This is for Meatball. And this is for Susie. This is for Susie pie. I got the goats back home because they were getting crazy. It's actually 2 o'clock. Normally I try to be back before 12 because it's so hot. So they're going to be chilling out eating. But while I'm here, I just want to give you an update, and I want to thank you all for your nice messages when I was really worried about Meatball. I think Meatball might have gotten food poisoning and he was pretty bad for a couple of days, but he's all better now and he's eating again and drinking again and pooping well. And a chicken update. So Tiny, who is our broody hen, was sitting on like 14 eggs and she didn't get off them, but she had been on them for a good month and a half, I think. And we weren't sure if they were fertilized, but we just kept letting the chickens add to them. Anyway, it was silly probably on our part, but we kind of said we'll just see what happens, maybe some hatch. We don't know, but we candled them all 14 of them were bad. So I took them out from under her. She was really angry with me, and we put 5 new eggs, and she's been sitting on them ever since. But I was worried about her health too, because it's not only she wants to sit on them, but she's not getting out much. And after saying that too, we have another... Hey, what are you doing? Why did you push me? You're a naughty girl. And another thing about the chickens, which I am not happy about at all, Boots is my favorite chicken, the biggest chicken. Well, I thought she was a chicken, but she's a rooster. She hasn't crowed yet, but she's been getting bigger, whatever they're called, and her crest is redder now. We gave away 2 of our roosters, so we had only 1, and then suddenly Boots became male. I don't know how that happened. I know this happens, but I didn't think at such an older age. The roosters were ganging up on her and, you know, doing what roosters do to the hens. So I figured she was a hen. But last week I caught her picking on Tiny. Tiny only comes out for a few minutes out of the coop, and she was being plucked by Boots. It was horrible to watch. Not happy with the situation. I'm not happy with it. So I've given Tiny, look at her, she's sitting in the corner. She got attacked this morning by Boots. Boots, you attacked Tiny this morning. I'm not happy with you. Only she can pass from here. But I put water just in case she doesn't want to come out. And I'm throwing corn in every so often. Look at them, how cute they are. When I go in, they're always shoved in a corner because they're too scared of me. I've tried picking them up once or twice, but now I realize there's no point. I just don't want to stress them out too much all the time. This is more than enough. That's the situation right now. I love Boots, but she is being a very naughty hen rooster. I don't know what she is. I'm guessing she's a rooster now. Can a rooster never crow? I don't know. Anyway, I'm not happy about it at all, this situation, but she's gonna have to go, and I don't think we can give her to another home because she is harming the chickens. And I am not nasty enough to give her to someone else. I think her fate is not a nice one for her. The vet still hasn't come. He told us he's going to come Friday week. Now, I mean, it might change because he does change his mind all the time. But Susie isn't looking any more pregnant. I don't know, I'm guessing Susie's pregnant. Daisy looks more pregnant than Susie does. So that's the news. We have a naughty chicken who is threatening our other chickens. Daisy looks pregnant, but I don't think she is. And Susie doesn't look pregnant, but I thought she was. I'm going to stop this right now. I'm pretty sure Luke is demolishing the ruin already, and I want to get back as soon as possible. If you liked this video, why not subscribe and help our channel grow? And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bing, 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 so you'll be informed every time we put out a new video. Go on, ring that bell while I ring meatballs. Ding, 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 ding.
I'm all good. Woohoo! Next, I guess I'll start at the weakest point, see how that goes. But I'll do it with the ladder outside, just to be safe. Right, let's see how hard this is going to be. This is fun. Stick around to the end if you want to watch the time lapse of the full demolition. It's pretty cool. Woo, it's a workout. Right, pretty much one wall, 2 to go. One dodgy, one I don't think it will be. Oh, but I need a break first. Whew. Round 2, fight!
Oh wow, you already did all that!
Hello.
I only just went to get beers and take the goats home.
Coming up to the dodgy bit.
Oh yeah, super dodgy. What are you gonna do about that?
I'm gonna play it by ear as usual and wing it. I think slowly, the wall is pulling away, so this beam will fall. So I think once I take out anything to the left of the beam, I'll be able to knock it this way.
Oh.
Maybe, we'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
As usual, he's winging it.
Going there.
I know what people are going to tell you.
What?
Why didn't you wear a helmet?
Because I'm throwing them away and it's hot.
Oh,
Hanging on by a thread.
how are your muscles? They were...
Starting to burn a bit. Time for my next piece of high-tech equipment. I'm weakening it for Sarah. Well, our safety glasses, here you go.
Should I get my own gloves?
Yep, take it right here.
Okay.
Here she is. Sarah the Destroyer.
What are you saying?
Go on. Go on. Molly, come here. You want to go, Molly, as well? Come here, come. Do you want to die? No.
Okay, ready?
Go! Molly,
Oh,
come here.
let's help Mom.
Do it! Oh, yeah. Molly, come. You stay here, Mommy's
Sit near Daddy.
venting her frustrations.
I don't have frustration.
That she doesn't
Molly,
have.
sit. Go. Oh shit, the safety glasses.
Safety glasses.
Those aren't safety glasses.
Yes, they are. They're special.
Ugh. I'm soaking wet.
You look like Ray Charles. They're so big for you.
Okay, let's do this.
Take off the end one there. Come on. Now top corner.
This one?
Yeah. Come on, a bit more power. Go on, in the middle of those two.
Oh, shit.
Of the two.
These two?
But no.
There?
There.
Oh.
All your power. Come on. Come on.
Power to the power.
Molly, come here. Yeah. Yeah.
No, this one's hard.
You have to turn, eh?
This, I have no muscle in this one.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Big one coming up. Oh yeah. Booyah.
Money, you go Daddy again.
That's it again.
Oh, shit.
1, 2. Done. Whew. Alrighty. Whew. That was fun.
For those of you who stuck around till the end, thank you. And here is a time lapse of the full demolition. 45 seconds of excitement.
Alrighty.
Well done, buddy.
That was fun. Quite a workout, but really not that hard.
It wasn't. It was so easy when I tried.
Alrighty. Next week, well, now we're going to start clearing up. There's still a few bits that we need to demolish, and basically just bring it down to bare bones so we can start.
Bare stones.
Bare stones.
I would like to thank two new patrons, Keith and Christine. Thank you so much for choosing our family to support.
Cheers,
and
guys.
our projects. And also thank you very, very much for your super thanks, Hans Ulrich. I think that's how you say your name.
Yeah.
So thank you very, very much.
Alrighty. Take it easy, guys, and we'll see you next week. That was fun.
Bye.
I'm gonna go have a shower and something to eat.
Yeah. You don't smell at all.
Alrighty, I think I'm going to take the opportunity and pretend to be Thor. Ta-da! No, it's not going to happen.
No, it didn't even move.
Let me try a different throw. Whoop!
Oh shit!
Okay, it's in there somewhere. Forget it. Just being silly.